When your visuals match the voiceover perfectly, your message becomes clearer and your video looks more professional. Let's take a look at an example.
Viral content on the internet is gradually shifting from being image-based to video-based.
So, how do you make this happen? First, at the Generate page, click the Edit button on the scene to enter the editing space. Hit Edit on the right side. From here, just play the video to quickly check if it lines up well with your narration.
Viral content on the internet is gradually shifting from being image-based to video-based.
If it doesn't match, no worries. You can select the clip, use the split tool to cut it into parts, and drag the edges to sync it perfectly with the narration. Once done, preview it to check the results.
Is gradually shifting from being image-based to video-based.
If your video is too short, you can either adjust the playback speed at the right panel or upload another video to combine and extend the timing to match the voiceover. Once everything's aligned, click Edit Done at the top right, then click back to save the changes. Finally, hit 3D Generate to see your updated video.
Viral content on the internet is gradually shifting from being image-based to video-based.
Easy, right? Give it a try and make your videos even smoother.